I've had a shit of a day. I got to reach. Okay, let's scrap. Let's just scrap all that shit that I've just said now and start again. G'day everybody and welcome back. Got a not so happy Andy. I've had a shit of a morning. So first of all, it's a rot ride today, and we had a really good ride planned. All the guys are still doing the ride. I'm going back. First bloody thing that happened, I left Richmond and left my backpack at the cafe at Richmond. In my backpack is my drone, controller, pair of wet weather pants just in case, packet of cigarettes, a couple of things like that. And I got a bit up the road and I thought, oh, left me bloody backpack, so I turned around to go back, and I caught up with Dji, and Dji was wearing my backpack. He picked it up. So then we get to I pulled up at Finger Post Road, and Dji said, oh, I'll just wear the backpack all the way to Orford and we can swap then. I noticed that the rear facing GoPro wasn't facing rearward anymore, so I grabbed it just to see what was going on, and it broke off in my hand, so the mount was broken. And I thought, oh well, that's alright, that's a bit of a bonus. That it caught it before it fell off, so it's in my pocket. So then we haul ass to Orford. I get my backpack and we head off. And so we get to Swansea. I pull up to get fuel, and how we going?
Bags up, Doc.
Hey?
Bags up, Doc.
Is it really? How bad?
I think it's all gonna fall out.
Yeah. Backpack came open. Guess what? I'm now looking for a drone and a controller. Unbelievable. And there were some sections along here where I was moving at a fairly moderate pace. So this is going to be a mission. A couple of more likely scenarios. One, someone's run over it. Two, someone's seen it, picked it up and gone off with it. Or it's just lying on the side of the road, smashed to bits. Chances of finding it are slim to none. Tim and Anita made the decision to turn around and come back and add an extra pair of eyes to the situation, and I really appreciate it. They didn't have to do that. They could have gone on and enjoyed the rest of the day with everybody else, but they obviously felt compelled, and I appreciate that, because essentially we're staring down the barrel at the loss of a couple of $1,000, and I rang the insurance company and they won't cover it. They're saying that because the luggage wasn't attached to the bike, and because it wasn't stolen or I wasn't in an accident, that it's not covered. So we're going to cruise on back to Orford and see if we can't find it. So I'm, yeah, I'm not all that happy. I can't afford to replace it. It'll just have to be a loss at this stage. Now, all the times I've been out riding and been riding with the drone, I've never had my backpack open up, ever. So I'm not quite sure how it happened. But I've got to at least try, I guess, haven't I? This will be the slowest I've ever ridden this road, I'll give you the hot tip.
There's that f***ing black box thing back there.
No?
I thought, oh yeah, beauty, but it wasn't. F***ing thing.
I was just letting the traffic go. Where's Anita?
I stopped and waited for her back there and she was coming.
Not going to find it. If I was driving along and I saw that, I'd own it.
Yeah, you'd stop and pick it up, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
Get her on the intercom, I'll go back and have a look. You're alright, keep going.